Couple youngins right there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Well, it is Saturday and we are at Jackie Parker Park. And on the other side of these trees is the lake. And we just got new canopy thing to cover over top of the screen so we don't get all that fluffy seed flying in our food or mosquitoes, so it's pretty cool. We're set up here today. We actually got two of these, but we got to get another frame.
But it's still gonna take a while.
And I wanted to do the long one now, but this is really good. Look at this, it's closer enough. Yummy. Want to set up. That's what you call marinating it with a special secret sauce.
Video?
Video?
Video? Okay.
Gone video.
Ulitin natin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ito pa lang candle.
Bless the food! Bless the food!
Nasaan yung anak mo? Nakabalos. Sabi,
Bigyan mo na siya ng plato. Come on!
ito na lang.
Ha?
Yung ano.
Come on, let's eat.
Yung
Wow, yummy. Zee, come now, anak.
You want to drink?
Bebe, ano? Kasi diba pinagpapagabi ka ng damit mo?
You want spring roll? And hot dog?
See?
But I gotta take a barbecue.
Oh,
We got lots of nice yummy food. Masarap.
Masarap.
set up already that fast, eh? Okay, so they have a generator powering the air pump. That's what it is. Cool.
Parang ganyan na naman si Jo Madama. Ex niya. Any youngins down there? Oh, there's about 20 of them in there.
There's one in front of the one there, and they're all over.
Oh, I see there. Right in there. You can see them. You can zoom right in on. There's the youngins right there. Couple of youngins right there. Okay, I'm here at Jackie Parker Park and I bumped into some friends that are fans of Pulas and a new subscriber here. And this is Puya, Noel, his daughter, and his wife, Asawa, and their son. I gotta see if I can see it. Yeah. The sun's shining, it's hard to see, so yeah, we're here and I'm watching Aiden's in the background over here, playing with all the kids here. And so yeah, we're over here enjoying ourselves here at the play park at Jackie Parker Park.